Yo, yo, yo. Just want to know if everybody can hear me. YouTube, what's going on? I am back, man. I do apologize for being hella late. Man, I've been working my behind off these last couple of days, this last week. Man, I've been working. My son, my sons came out here for the summer, and like, man, I am beat right now, running up and down the street, handling business, doctor's appointments, stuff like that, the everyday to day life. So, uh, man, I'm back real quick. We're finna do a little quick update, YouTube, and we finna get into it right now. Man, we, this is the downside of, being a trader and stuff like that. Like I said, you have some good weeks, you have a good month, you have some good days, but then you might have some bad days, bad weeks, bad months. And the last 2 weeks or so, we've been getting beat up in the markets, man, for whatever reason. Um, we need to get in the markets, see if we can find what's really going on with these trades. And we're like, first, I just want to jump into it, man. Get right to it. YouTube is live. Yeah, okay. Mic is on. All right. So make sure I'm get him my voice. All right. So, all right. The first one I'm gonna start out with is this USD Swiss franc, right? So we took a loss on this one. Go to the 1 hour time frame. See the analysis is still the same. We had this downtrend was in the sell zone. See, counter trend line breaks at known levels of U-turn. And we had a buy trade because we broke into the buy zone, right? We tested the backside and the market started going up. We won one trade, and then we had this dip here, which the market had been holding up. Market went up, gave us the buy trade right here. So we took the buy, put our stops below the low in the sell zone, right? And as you can see, market took us out. And not only did the market take us out, but then the market actually went right back up. But then it tested what was keeping the market up, and it broke into the sell zone, came back up. It broke to the sell zone, stopped us out, then came back up, tested the backside of what was keeping the market up. Hold up. Yeah, well, this trend line was keeping the market up, and now it tested the backside as resistance right there. So you can see it. It was U-turning, U-turn, 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 U-turn. Then we broke up under it, came back, held, and broke under it again, false breaks. And then they finally broke down and took us out. So that trade is done, and we're trying to see exactly what went wrong here. So we'll get rid of that. That's done. We stopped out. We're done. 83 pips lost. We lost this trade. So we can get rid of that and get rid of that. We'll still keep buy zone, sell zone, because this is the new buy zone, sell zone that the market was moving in. Um, let's see. Real quick. Well, let me go to the monthly time frame and let's see here. Okay, so monthly time frame, we said monthly time frame and consolidation, waiting the market to give confirmation of support and consolidation. When support is held, we'll start looking to bottom market up to resistance inside of consolidation range. So yeah, that's what we did. Well, I mean, that's what we was waiting on because we broke down, tested, broke down support, tested resistance. Then the market was starting to fall, which we thought at on or around the same price points, was thinking that this market had already hit, support. And so we was looking to buy it. And if we pull out our price range tool, we can see current price point. If the market does want to fall down, now it is 300 pips. and I bought the market because on the daily time frame we did have a lot of different angles. As you can see, daily time frame was going up, was going up. It was consolidation ranges. So we had multiple different levels of resistance. We had this little angle here, then it broke out of that, went up here, and then the market fell down, which this is where the market currently is. Now, granted, we still have a up Fibonacci on the daily time frame. So that 300 pips, let's see, it says so right now 300 pips. Yeah, 300 pips would actually kind of be like the backside, would be another low price, actual low price, which looks like the market could fall back down here because this was keeping the market up for a couple of weeks since the 4th of May. This trend line was keeping the market up. We fell below it into the sell zone, came back up, retested, and now look, the market is held at resistance, and that's a good sign that this market could be getting ready to fall and try to go test a new low. Now, as far as what I possibly want to do to trade this to get back in, because we were buying. So let's see here. If we broke into the sell zone, right, came back up, tested backside. Now we falling off, which we could fall another 300 or so pips if we want to go back down to that level, non-level U-turn. We can bring in a down Fibonacci, 1, 2 candlesticks to the left, 1, 2 candlesticks to the right, and then you got one here, 1, 2 to the left, 1, 2 to the right. See if we can gauge how far down this market might want to go. So we got this down Fibonacci, and we have well, we still ain't quite touched this blue yet, just yet. We still ain't quite touched that blue. So that's 618. So we go red to red, blue to blue, and green to green. So we didn't touch the blue. You can see right there, we didn't touch it. Or let's see if I can grab me a horizontal line right here. I'll get rid of this. Yeah, see, market never came up and touched that. So we're expecting, so now I'm looking for this market to come down here for another low price. So that's what I'm expecting, and how long that price point is 89 0.89654. Wait a minute. Okay, guess numbers like one on. Right, so 0.89654. 0.89654. All right, so now this is where I'm expecting the market to fall. So, and actually we got some news that should come out tomorrow at 1:30. You got a Fed press conference, all of that stuff coming in. Then you got Fed interest rate. You got the federal interest rate decision. So I think because this was supposed to be in what happened today, so I think they put the interest rate. I think they put it on hold, I guess, because I was getting a bunch of emails from a bunch of other traders. Well, the trading companies that I follow, and they were saying that the Fed already broke the dollar and they might break it again. So I mean, the news is already setting up, for the interest rates, and the market is setting up, breaking in. What's keeping the market up? Broke into it, tested the backside, and market falling off right now. So yeah, so I'm thinking that this Fibonacci could extend, this Fibonacci could fulfill, and then we can look to keep going up. Because as you can, if we go back in the past, is that any support? I mean, we go back. I mean, yeah, the market does have a, some support right there too. I mean, that could possibly be, but daily time frame says we broke into this. Monthly time frame, we did hit resistance here, so we're waiting on the market to come down to support. This is what we're waiting on. And is there a possible angle that's keeping this market down? Yep, could be. Could be that little angle right here. This angle could possibly be keeping the market down. Yep, because we're on it right now. Oh, wait. Yep, that's what could be keeping the market down. That angle right there. So, all right. So, trading plan is it still the same time frame? Will once support is held, we'll start looking. Okay, yeah. Once support is held, we'll start looking to buy it back up to the top of the range because it is in consolidation. So yeah, trade plan still the same. Monthly time frame. Looking to sell. Still waiting on this market to fall off on 300 pips. So this resistance, let's see, what is this? What is this resistance? I mean, support. That's 87355. So let's put that on the daily time frame. 87355. And we're gonna make this one. We'll just make it black, and that price point is 0.87355. Okay. So that is the monthly support angle. Oh, it's monthly support. Oh, and look at that. Just kind of identical, right? Oh, coming right down, of this market coming back down to a known level of U-turn in this down angle on the daily time frame. Again, broke it, tested the backside, market selling off. So that's what we're currently looking for. Daily down Fibonacci. I mean, the up Fibonacci is still in, but if the market is going to fall all the way down here, according to the monthly time frame, then it will take out this up Fibonacci. And if the market gonna take out that up Fibonacci, then yeah, good telltale sign, man. That yeah, we're gonna sell off here. So okay, but we'll keep this because this is. We'll just turn this green and not confuse myself. So we got this one green. This is the up Fibonacci swing, and as long as the market doesn't take it out, we'll keep it right there, or we get a deeper retracement. So we have a downswing. We didn't quite touch the blue level, so we're still expecting this market to fall down to the red level. And that is, just bring out a new one. That's 86 pips away. All right. So let's see if we can go after 86 pips on this down Fibonacci. And then we'll wait and see if we can buy other high prices all the way down to the monthly support. Okay, then we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. You see 1 hour time frame. We broke into the sell zone right here. So this is your sell zone. Still got the buy zone, sell zone, broke to the sell zone, just like I drew up on the daily time frame. And we can possibly have our first counter trend line break. Hold on, wait. Oh, no. Yep. And see how the market just playing around at this price point. Yeah, we can probably once we can get it to break below that, yeah, we can sell it. Oh, matter of fact, no, not that one. Let's do this one. Yes, sir. Right there. So if we get the market to what's this? So this daily Fibonacci price. So since we broke into the sell zone, tested the backside, that price point is 89654. Let's add that one here on the 1 hour time frame. Make it red. So 0.89654. All right. Wait, what? What did I do? Did I mess that up? I think I did. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, 0.89654. Okay, boom. So this will be our first target since we are in the sell zone. We sell counter trend line breaks in the sell zone at known levels of U-turn, and there we are. And we're just waiting for the market to break below. Once the market break below this, we'll sell the market again. I mean, we'll sell the market because we were first buying it, but it's giving the signs that it wants to sell off. So crossing down, trend line once per bar close, alert, USD JPY, USD JPY, sell the market. All right, so we'll create that. All right, so we have an alert there. And once the market breaks that, we'll put our stops in the buy zone. This will be our stop. We have our stops in the buy zone. This high right here. We have our stops in the buy zone like that. Let's see. That's the target we're gonna go for selling. So we'll make that green. And how much would that be if the market was to break this trend line? We would be risking 100. We'd be risking 100 to go after 74. So, but if we put our stops above here, if we sell this, then see how our stops. If we put our stops right here, our stops won't be in the buy zone. It'll still be in the sell zone. So we want to put our stops in the sell zone, which would be, yeah, which will make our stops right there. Yeah, we in the sell zone. So, but I mean, technically, I mean, we could sell it right now, because if we wanted to, but because you had this one too, but then the market still is above that one. So yeah, counter trend line's kind of tricky. But okay, I mean, I'm okay with it to a certain degree, but not really because of the simple fact if we're in the sell zone and we're going down to the 618, see, we're risking more than the actual reward would be. Yeah, we would be risking more than what the actual profit would be. But I mean, that's to have our stops. Sometimes you have to have stops like that out of the way. But ultimately, we're looking to go down to the 87355 because that would be the monthly support. So we're looking for the market to actually fall down further than that. So, but this would be the first one. And as you can see, we broke into the sell zone. We have what might be our new trend line. Would be yeah, this might possibly be the new angle the market wants to move at right here. Yep, that could be the new angle. And then look, as you can see, looks like we have a top and a bottom. See, the market just got all that support there, and there it is right there. Let's make this black and make that one black. Stretch it out. Could be a possible new support and resistance. We got a new channel. Like we got here, comes to the top. Down here, comes to the top. And right now, at support. That might be the new, might be a little consolidation. Hmm. I don't know. I think I might just leave this one alone. I mean, everything, this stuff is not really lining up the way I want it to. I mean, but you got these U-turn levels here. You got a top and a bottom. What is the market? How many pips is that? See, 77 pips. Then we come back. Market went up 80 pips. And look like the market could possibly do it again. Probably could come up another 70 so pips. But again, we're already in the sell zone. The market tested the backside and fell off. So it held as resistance, which was being past support, becoming future resistance. So I'm really expecting for this market to sell off. So yeah. All right. But with that being said though, let me I'll keep that like that because that's the actual trade. Now I'm thinking that maybe um I'm start finding angles of how the market moves on a 1 hour time frame because we do the same things here. We ask ourselves, okay, so why did the market just make a high here? Or we come back to these lows. Because when we were doing the analysis, this is where the market was holding, this is where the market was being held up, this line. It's okay, so we're like, okay, so why did the market just make a high there? Then we draw it out. Wait a minute, I don't think that was the right one. Ask ourselves, why did the market make a high here? There it is. So these angles was how the market was moving. Then it broke below this and tested the backside, which could possibly in the sell zone, which is giving us the idea that this market is about to start falling down to the 618 extension. But when I bring out my price range, once we broke into the buy zone, right, market came down, and once from this low, and once it went to that high, that was 158 pips, right? Then the market came back again at this level, went all the way back up to touch again for 188 pips. So in essence, I'm kind of leaving pips on the table, you know, by basically the way we're trading on a daily time frame. So we'll go to the daily time frame and you see how we're trading from top to bottom, or if we were looking from bottom to top, a known level of U-turn, then we're trading from top to bottom. So we would have been selling this. And so now we were expecting this from go top to bottom to this black resistance channel. We're expecting this to go top to bottom. I mean bottom to top. So when it's the same way on the 1 hour time frame. So as this daily time frame is just going up, we got the 1 hour time frame moving in the channel. And as we broke into the buy zone, we had this channel forming where the market was making highs, then come back low, then goes back up to the top. So it's like, boom, that was 158 pips of profit. Take our profits, let the market come back down, boom, trade to the top. It would have been 188 pips. And then this one probably would have failed because we would have bought this one. And then as you can see, sideways movement with support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and right now, support. The last couple of days, or the last day, a couple of hours, yesterday, all day today, this has been support. Market ain't broke. Market hasn't broke below this black line. So yeah, I think that would be, I think that might be the new way I look at trading in the direction of the trend, in the direction of the monthly time frame, and the direction of the trend. So um, let's get rid of this. Oh, I got rid of the top line. Like I said, here we had market just made a high here, and like it just never came below that. I mean, it never went above this. It was like sideways movement. Okay, to be honest, not really. When in doubt, stay out. So I may stay out. I might demo trade this just to see what happens because I don't want to put live money into it, even though it is at the backside of a trend line in the sell zone. Get a counter trend line break. But if we get a counter trend line break and it breaks below what's keeping the market up, then yeah, I would feel more comfortable selling it. But we'll just wait and see. We'll save. We'll have that. I think it automatically saved. Yeah, should automatically save. All right, that's USD, Swiss franc. There was another trade that this is the Euro JPY. This is currently the trade that I am negative in. Let's pull this chart up and hash. All right, so we were looking to sell this market because we was at a known level of U-turn. We had all these U-turns here, and we had another level of U-turn. We actually drew that one, drew that trend line, but we had the symmetrical chart, the symmetrical angle where we had support, support, and then the market broke into it, held the backside as support. Now the market is going up. What used to be resistance, holding that support, but then we also seen why this we had a high here, drew it back, and we saw we had another levels of resistance, 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 support, and then we had an indecision candlestick at this angle. So we were expecting the market to, fall back down here, give us a retest. But we do have a up Fibonacci. We're expecting to go up to the 105 282 price point. That's what we are expecting. That would be the highest the market has been since way back here in 2008. So, um, yeah, we were expecting the market to fall, but you can see right now we still got 16 days in this candlestick. So, I mean, we still have yet to break this high from last month. And but once the market can close up above it, we'll start looking to start buying for the rest of these 745 pips if we can close above it. But again, we had this indecision candlestick was letting us know, okay, so market came up here and just stopped, and then it closed below. So we were expecting to sell, but as you can see on the daily time frame, we still are at a known level of U-turn, where the market has been U-turning for at least a year now. Well, almost 2 years now. Was we had support, 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 resistance, 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 and then we had the market go up from support to resistance, broke the trend line, tested the backside, started falling. So we gave us the idea to sell. Look, and went back up, same level of resistance, and right now today, yesterday, well, yeah, today we hit this. The new candlestick started at 4 p.m. So the new trading day, we see this market is just hanging around at this uptrend line. So this is why I'm continuing to sell. I mean, that's why I'm holding my sell trade because we had a known level of U-turn. We haven't took out the A yet on this Fibonacci extension. So long we haven't taken out the A on this Fibonacci extension in a retracement. If we take this out, we'll exit the trade and we'll just take our losses. But so again, market broke. This was keeping the market up. Came down again, but it's like, okay, let's go right back up and test it again. But I think maybe we missed something. As you looks like market has some um look like hold on, I missed it. All right, let's go back up. Look like we had some consolidation. Sideways support. You see right there, resistance, 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 support, 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 support. So yeah, so I think that's what the market been respecting for the last couple since April. So yeah, we did miss that. So mm, in order for the market to fall down, we we need the market to. In order for the market to fall down, we need the market to fall down like right now. So it'd have to fall, probably come back up again, then actually break it, backside, then hit our target. That's what I'm hoping to happen. And if that does happen, then we can look forward to actually going down to this known level of U-turn. That's what I'm that's what we are wishing to. But if not, we get taken out. We'll wait for the market to that it should give us the go ahead to say, all right, now we can start focusing on the buying going up to the monthly Fibonacci extension, 745 pips away. But again, this candlestick is still 16 days left to go. You never know what can happen in 16 trading days. And like I said, daily time frame at the known level U-turn, market just hung out right here. Just the price point just hung out at this known level U-turn for the last 4 or 5 hours of the candlestick. And look, just currently retracing. But still got 21 hours though, so we'll see what happens. But that is why I'm still looking. That's why I'm still holding my sell trade. Um, if the market can come back down here, I may exit because this is a known level, a U-turn. So this is a horizontal support. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Hold on. So what is that price point? So this level here, that's 148, 148,755. Okay, so 148,755. Man, what's going on? God dang. Okay, 148,771. That is the daily. Uh, yeah, that's the daily support. 148,771. So let's put it on the 1 hour time frame. 148,771. 148.771. Yep, that is that support level on the daily time frame. So if the market, so if we can get lucky and the market doesn't stop us out, because that's currently where our stop loss is, 151,827. If we can get lucky enough and the market just stays at that known level U-turn and it begin to fall, then we'll take profits here because that's what the market has been respecting. But we do, as we do see, we had this channel for this 1 hour time frame been moving up, market been going up, and we had all these levels of support. We had support, support, support. We had a triple bottom. Normally it's a double, we got a triple. So the market going up, and hopefully it just stay right there. But yeah, we messed up on this buy. I mean, we messed up on the sell. We actually bought too early. This angle is what been keeping the market up. We should have waited for the market to break into this sell zone, test the backside, and then sell the market. But we still have hope in the daily time frame. So all right, that's Euro JPY. All right, there is another trade. Oh, so we're losing this one. We lost the USD Swiss franc, and we're just waiting for counter trend line break. Okay, which one of these? Okay, we lost this one. Okay, let's look at this one. The euro and the Aussie, Australian dollar. All right, so again, we have this up angle where the market has resistance, resistance, and we have support. So the market came down and we touched support, and then the market has been going up. So we said that the market could go up to this 618, the extension, and that was at that time, that price point was 800 pips away. As you can see, this market it still look like it's coming back to another retracement. So this market been falling. We took a loss here because we actually bought the market. Then we go to the daily time frame, and we see on the daily time frame we had U-turn, 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 broke below it, and we had a horizontal support. I mean horizontal resistance becoming future support in the channel. Then the market came right back up in that same channel with support, support, and what we thought was support down here. We bought the market once we got here, and then the market just went against us. So we did have another horizontal support level, or we thought was support here, was resistance and support. Market broke that and just took that out, and it has been falling. So we took a loss on that one. Hold on, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. See if we can show the loss. Yep. So we bought the market there. Market went up, and we see that could be the possible new downtrend angle, or where the market U-turn, 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 and it's U-turning right there. So we took a loss on that one. So let's actually just remove all of the drawings on that one. Let's go back to the daily time frame and see exactly what the trade plan is going to be. So this Fibonacci has been taken out. No, actually it hasn't. So this Fibonacci hasn't been taken out yet. So until this Fibonacci is taken out, still looking for the buy. But let's see what we missed. Did we miss anything? Let's see. We can get rid of this. Because this just could still be a short-term retracement. And so why did the market come here and make a low? Is it this? Well, no, can't be that, because if that's the case, then we got U-turn, 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 and the market then fell below there. Let's see, can we bring a down Fibonacci angle? It will still be from this high. Well, it'll be from that high to that low. Because we got 1, 2 candlesticks to the left and 1, 2 to the right. Proper high, and there's a proper low. And yep, we had a 1618 retracement. Okay, it hit that. So that would be the new low. So that would be, so the market hit this, it hit that 618, took it out right there. I'm guessing the market is finding a deeper retracement because we don't have a proper low right now of 1, 2 candlesticks to the left and 1, 2 to the right. But this candlestick is what took it out. And then it retraced and it went down further, but then only went up and then came right back down. So basically, the next 2 days we would have to be able to get, if this Fibonacci, if this is going to be the low. So we go to this high and come down to that low. Yeah, if this was to actually fulfill right here, if this is going to be the proper low, the market comes up, then yeah, this A will be taken out, then this Fibonacci will be no more good, and yeah, we could be looking to sell this market. But right now we're just kind of in limbo because all angles have fallen, and if so, we could expect this market to fall down. Expect this market to fall all the way down right here. Expect it to just a non-level U-turn. And we stretch this out. Yeah. So we'll have to wait and see right now because we are in I mean, the market did break these channels. It broke all these levels of U-turns, all these levels. It broke what was support, and it did kind of hold for 2 days, but then it fell. So we are in the sell zone, trying to trying to gauge this retracement. If this A is taken out, then that is a good sign that we could possibly fall to a known level of U-turn, which is what was used to be resistance, becoming future support. Market could probably come back down into support. What was this green line? Oh, that was a Fibonacci. That up Fibonacci there. Yeah, it's no more good because it got taken out. So, we're possibly waiting on that, and we can bring in another trend line. See why the market just made highs here. This could possibly be a new angle that the market wants to move at. We had the high there. We had the high. Yep, right there. U-turn, U-turn. The market fall off. We probably get a possible market come back up. Let's see. So market made a low here. Matter of fact, let's actually get rid of this. I already know the angle for that one. So market made a low here. And well, no. Just see the market made a low here. This would be the angle. Yeah. As you can see, that's probably the new downtrend angle this market probably want to travel to. Going down, going down to another 618D extension, which is this high to that low. If this is gonna be, if that's gonna be the proper low. So right now we still just kind of waiting, because then if we gonna look to buy, if we're gonna look to sell this market, then we sell high prices in the sell zone, which we've broken all of these trend lines. So we've broken all of the potential angles the market will move at. So now we're just waiting for the market to give us a high price, basically at the backside of this trend line. But the market give us a high price at the backside of the trend line, then we can look to start selling on the 1 hour time frame. But matter of fact, I'm tripping. Let me change these colors so it actually you can see it. All right, so that looks like that could be the possible new downtrend angle on the daily time frame. So we got a U-turn here, we got U-turns there, and could possibly be a U-turn here. So we're just waiting to see what's gonna happen. And we got I think we got more news. That's on the 15th, so that's Thursday. So that's the daily time frame. So we sell high prices when we wait for the market to come back up, give us a retest, backside the trend line, or the backside of the trend line, or at a high price, and then start selling off. And we go to the 1 hour time frame. Doom. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, separate the market into buy zone and sell zone. And current price points. I want to see exactly what's going on in the market. So why did we make a high here? Um, don't really want to curve fit nothing. Just want to see. I mean, could that be it? Not necessarily. All right, let's go up to the major. Go up to the major high. Why the market just U-turned? Okay, so why did the market U-turn here? All right, that makes more sense. And even on the 1 hour time frame, let's see why did the market make a low here and then go up? Is that angle there? Could be. So this could be, yeah, this is that angle. But we got market comes down here, comes to the top. So we got resistance and we got support and support, which we're actually at support right now. So here is, so the market is currently in the sell zone. Let's see, let's go back up to the daily time frame. So this is just the short-term trading. We are expecting this market to fall back down to the 52531, which is all of the support, which was holding the market up at support in the past. Matter of fact, let's actually put a horizontal line on the chart. So you had all this support right here. All right, so we're expecting the market, we are expecting the market to fall once we can get the test that the market's going to hold a resistance at a known level of U-turn on the backside of the trend line at at a known level of resistance in what could be a new down channel, and then we will sell it. We're expecting the price to fall down to 52787 in this retracement of the market actually going up on the monthly time frame, because we're still expecting this market to go up and hit that 170260 price point in that upfield. But since the market is retracing, we done broke all these up channels. So expecting the market to fall down to the 618 extension. So we're expecting the market to fall down here. So we get the market to fall down here, and then we can start looking to go up. So again, until that A is taken out, that is what we're gonna look forward to. That price point is 5393. All right, 1.5393, 53935. Okay, 53935. All right, so that is the extension we are expecting to go toward. If we can get the proper low, I mean the proper low with two candlesticks to the left, we just need it to the price not to get lower than this. So if that is going to be the proper low, then yeah, we can expect for this market to kind of fall down. Okay, so that's the daily time frame, and I'm not looking to make any more buy trades until we at least get back up above into this channel. We can get back above in the channel, or we can break this channel and actually start forming a new one. Then I'll start buying. But as of now, since in the past, this is what the market has been doing. So if the market can break above this channel, back into this channel, and get below it, or get above it, then we can buy it up to here and then wait for it to break up into there and then buy it up to the top of there. Or we'll just wait and see what happens. So I was just trying to gauge this downtrend. This is price point 155395. So let's put that on the 1 hour time frame. 1.53. What's that? Was it 5393? Okay, 53935. 1.53935. All right. So this is where we expecting the market to fall to, and we possibly could be looking to sell it. I might try to short it on the way down. That's we expect the market to fall, and then we start looking for the market to start going back up again. And you never know. It may happen or it may not. So, but the market is too low right now. We need the market to come up, give us a high price. Long level U-turn. Market could come up and give us a high price, and then we'll sell it because this is our buy zone. Jeez Louise. All right, we got buy zone, and then we got sell zone. Bro, what is up with my typing today? All right, so we got buy zone and sell zone right here. So currently the market we are in the sell zone because this is what's keeping the market down and this is what's keeping the market up. U-turn, U-turn, possibly U-turn, get ready to come back up, give us a high price in the sell zone, and then we'll sell counter trend line breaks in the sell zone. So we need this market to come up like so, making higher highs and higher lows. And then we'll sell counter trend line breaks. And we'll sell the counter trend line break. So this is what we want to see. All right, so, and then we'll just keep selling from this high to that low, all the way down until we get to 53935. All right, so, and hold on real quick. As you can see from when the market is at this range, top of the range, it goes down 500. Came back up to the top of the range, to the bottom for another 500. So that's almost 500 pips. This market is swinging. So this is a swing, and this is exactly what I'm looking for to trade. I want to trade the swings. When the market is up here, I want to get in the market, trading the swing from top to bottom on the 1 hour time frame. So this would have been May 10th, and would have got up there to, so we would have got out the trade right here from May 10th to 25th, about 2 weeks of trading. And that's what I expect a swing trade to be, about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so about 500 pips down, come back up. 500 pips down, waiting for the market to come back up, give us a high price, and sell off. All right, that's the euro and the Australian dollar. All right, let's go over the euro NZD, because euro NZD is actually, this is another one that I've been watching. So we did draw it up, and we got known levels of U-turn, support, support, got a few false breaks, and we got support again, and the market was going up. We were waiting for the market to hit a known level of U-turn, but then we saw this resistance at the top, and you can see how this angle, this black line, has been support, resistance there, resistance here. Market didn't close above it. Then you got multiple months of this being resistance, and we actually closed above it, but then we came back down at resistance. Market just couldn't close above it for the next 3, 4, 5 months. And then even at this candlestick, market didn't close above it, and we had an indecision. So basically, the bulls and bears fighting at this resistance, and then the market selling off. So yeah, we were looking to sell. We actually took a loss because we sold the market, but then the market went back up against us. So the market here is what was keeping the market up. We sold it once we got this confirmation, started selling. Market took off on us. But you can see right now, the market has done exactly what we were looking for it to do, break back below what was keeping the market up. And it went up, had an indecision candlestick the last 2 days. So the last 2 days, the Monday and Tuesday candlestick. This is the Wednesday. We held at resistance. And right now, market is selling off. So that's exactly what we were waiting for. And then you can see we got basically a new downtrend angle. Well, not angle, but well, we got this angle of resistance. We had resistance here, market U-turn. So this could be a possibly a new angle. See if we can find the new angle the market may want to move to. We got this low here. Bingo. So this could possibly be a new angle that the market wants to move in. So we got all of this resistance, and now it broke up. You got support there, and you got support here again. Market went up, found resistance, and we are below this known level of U-turn in the sell zone at hitting resistance at this angle right here. So according to this, if we was gonna sell this, well, yeah, I'm already looking to get back into selling again because of the simple fact, because of the simple fact that we broke in what was keeping the market up at support. We tested resistance 2 days in a row, and now here we are today, market falling off, and we got what could possibly be the new angle, and this market could fall possibly 500 or so pips. So we're looking to get right back into the selling, but we still got this 618 extension. So this is the overall target. And that price point is, no, I don't want to alert. Price point is 1.66583. Dude, 1.66583. Fam, am I not pressing the right buttons, dude? 1.66583. Fam, okay, 6, 1. All right, something right. All right, that's it. Okay, 1.66583. All right, so we're looking to hit that target. We make that green. That's the 618, but I'm just gonna, yeah, that is the target we're looking to hit on a 1 hour time frame. I mean the daily time frame. We're looking for the market to fall down to that price point because we are looking to sell. Overall, we're looking to sell this market. I mean, then when you look in the past, you see how that's horizontal resistance, that's horizontal support. This is why we use Fibonacci's, man. Like as far as the charter go back, you got all the support. Market just holding at that price point. So this down Fibonacci could be non-level U-turn or price point of support in the past. So we do have the information on that. And then look, the market came right back up to a 618 retracement and looked like we could start falling down to the 618 extension. So that price point is 66583. So let's go ahead and put this on here now. Price point is 1.66583. All right, so that is going to be our target. We're going to go to the 1 hour time frame, and we see there is our daily Fibonacci target. And let's see what angles are the market moving at right now. So we just ask, we come to the market, we ask ourselves, so why did the market make a high here? This is this is that major one. Why did the market make a U-turn here? Go back. Let me see. We got boom. See how we got resistance? U-turn, 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 U-turn. See, we got resistance there. So this would be our buy zone. And here's our sell zone. All right. So as you can see, the market is in the sell zone. We did get the daily time frame. We did get, oh no, well, wait, monthly time frame. We did hit resistance. We was thinking, we are expecting this market to fall 2,090 pips. So market is already reversing. Daily time frame. We got what looks like could possibly be a new downtrend angle. We have broken it up under again what used to be holding the market up as support back in December of last year. We've broken below it again. We tested the backside as resistance 2 days in a row. Market is currently falling, and our target is the 618 extension off of this down Fibonacci because we had a 618 retracement. So we're going after the 618 extension, 1 hour time frame. There's our 618 extension target from the daily time frame. And currently right now the market is in the sell zone. So we're looking to sell the market and let's see. So why did the market just come make a low here? We can go back and we can kind of see. I mean, that was for false breaks, but see, this is the actual touches. You see how you got all of these touches. Bingo. We'll just stretch it out. So right now, we are in the buy zone. This your buy zone up here. This your sell zone down here. So we do have this channel, that this down channel that this market is moving in. Again, this price is too low. We want the market to come up here, give us a high price in the sell zone at a known level U-turn, and then we will sell counter trend line breaks. Let's see how we got U-turn here. Oh, U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. So we just need the market to come up and give us a U-turn. Need the market to come up, and then we will sell counter trend line breaks. We'll sell a counter trend line break at a known level U-turn. Yeah, so we'll sell a counter trend line break. We need the market to come up, give us a high price in the sell zone because the market is too low currently. And even on the daily time frame, you see the daily time frame, we did this is the confirmation for us to start selling, but the price is still kind of low. I mean, the price is still kind of high right now. So if we were going to trade, if we're going to trade it right now, wait. Well, we broke into the sell zone. We tested the backside as resistance. And if the market is going to fall, right, which we already touched right here. So we will waiting for this market to fall. So we could be looking to sell it right now. So this would have been the high price to start selling. So we did hit this high price. Was that trend line broken? What was keeping the market up? It's hard to tell because it's just this one candlestick. But I mean, we do have the signal. This was the signal we was waiting for to get back in here, get back underneath it, retest the backside, which we did, and now the market's falling off. So, but right now, if we're going to sell it, we ideally want the market to come up to sell down here, or let the market break below what's been keeping the market up. Let the market break below, give us a test to the backside. Then we sell counter trend line breaks right there. And we can sell right there. All right. If the market is going to continue this channel and we're going down to this current price point, but if the market is going to fall lower, then that's what we would expect. Then would expect the market to break below here, then come back up to test, and then this would this would still be the sell zone. We'll just bring this down here. That would be the sell zone, and then this would be the buy zone because we'll be up in here, and we are known to be in this channel at this support level. Then it will go up. But right now, this is currently where we are. So if the market's gonna fall, let it fall. Come to the backside, test the back. We'll kind of trend line break, sell it. We'll get in the sell zone, but we're gonna put our stops up above this buy zone here. We're not gonna move our stops, put our stops in this buy zone, because this 1 hour time frame, these break easier than a daily time frame or a monthly time frame. Because see, the daily time frame says that we're already on the backside of a known level of U-turn, and that the market could possibly fall 500 pips in what could be the new down angle. So this is what we're trying to trade, the U-turn. We're not guessing a U-turn. We want to trade the U-turn. And we got stopped out because the market just reversed on us. Then the market came down to support, shot up for a day. Then now we're back below it. So, I like that trade setup. So that's what we're waiting for. The euro, New Zealand dollar, we're looking to get back in selling. We made some money, but then we lost it right back. And we patiently waited for the market to give us a signal on the daily time frame that we can get back into selling the market. The monthly time frame hit resistance, horizontal resistance. Market is falling, indecision candlestick. We got this candlestick now falling. We still got 16 days to go. Daily time frame broke a known level of U-turn. We're waiting for the market to travel down to this second level. And then once we can break that one and get the same retest to the backside of support, then we can start really looking to just start breaking out with the selling. But right now, this would look like this could be a possible new little downtrend channel. Possibly, but it still isn't. It's still in its infancy, so we don't know yet. So yeah, all right, we got that 530 pip trading opportunity, and we're just waiting for the market to give us a high price at this known level. U-turn. What's keeping the market down? We'll kind of trend line break, sell it, or wait for it to break below, test the backside, and then we'll sell it on that side. And you can see here, even here, trading this channel. Market hit the support, 159 pips. Then we come back down here. Oh, no, that's the wrong side. Because we're not looking to buy, we're looking to sell. So if we're looking to sell, so the market comes up here, and when it touches the bottom, almost 200 pips. Touches it again, falls down, another 200 pips. So if the market could come back up and touch it again, we can sell it by another 200 pips. So that is the plan. That is what I am expecting the market to do on this chart. Euro New Zealand dollar. Let's save that. All right, that's that. And okay, so we went over this one, and we went over the JPY, and we went over the Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. All right, so let's just start running them down by the one. All right, Euro USD. All right, Euro USD, we got hold on, let me see something. All right. Been live for hour and 20. All right, let's just go ahead kind of pick up the pace a little bit. All right, Euro USD. Okay, again, we had these levels. We saw horizontal resistance, so we're expecting the market to travel up. I mean, not horizontal resistance. We got this up Fibonacci. We're expecting the market to go up 1,374 pips up to the 618 extension on the monthly time frame because we did hit support. We broke up above what used to be resistance, support. We broke up above it, resistance, and now we are expecting this market to continue to follow through with bullish movement up to that extension. So long as we stay above this, what used to be resistance, as long as we stay above this angle, we're looking to buy. So now we go to the daily time frame, and you can see on the daily time frame we got an angle where the market U-turns. We have an up Fibonacci, daily daily fib target right there. That's our daily target. And you can see I didn't buy this market just yet because I was waiting for to get a U-turn at a known level U-turn at this blue angle. But I did see that we could have had this black angle here that could have possibly been a level U-turn, which the market is respecting right now. So the market is respecting that angle, came down to that angle, broke into the buy zone, and looked like it could possibly go up. But if I have come to the determination that if the market does decide to go up, I will let the market go up without me because I want to have what I'm looking for is this market to do this. Waiting for it to come down, possibly come up, break this trend line, and then we start buying up to the top. This is what I really want to see. I want to see this market fall down, touch this blue angle, this blue line, the bottom of the angle of support, then start buying the U-turn there. Because this market hasn't hit a known level U-turn quite yet. But then in the past, you see how this market was following this angle, but then still came down and retested that blue line. And if I buy the market now and I put my stops down here, you see that if the market falls to come actually test this angle, that it will stop me out. So that's why I haven't bought this yet. But I'm waiting for a deeper retracement. I'm just waiting for a deeper retracement. So with that being said, go to the 1 hour time frame. Still looking to buy, but you can see 1 hour time frame. We do have a buy zone, sell zone. The market was in the sell zone, no levels of U-turn. We broke into the buy zone. I did have an alert on this counter trend line break because if I would have bought the market here, I mean, yes, I would be up. I would be up now. If I would have bought the market here at this candlestick, I would be up. Current price, yeah, we would be up 79 pips, 77 or so pips right now. But I didn't buy it because I was still kind of waiting to think that this market would fall down here. But from what it looks like, the market hasn't done that yet. Well, obviously it hasn't done that yet, but we broke into the buy zone. Looks like the market wants to retrace right now. And then current price point, market made a low here and then reversed. And you can kind of see that this could be an angle this market might want to move at. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. This is no longer any good. That's not gonna serve me anything. Just confirm that that's gone. And then okay. So why did the market just make a high here? The market just made a high there, and it's been kind of in consolidation. And bingo. So we can see once we broke up into the buy zone, we this market is kind of finding highs and lows in the buy zone. So we got support, support. Market comes up, falls back down to support. Came up to resistance, and now the market just kind of hanging around in consolidation. That's it. This is why I was yet I was still kind of skeptical about buying just yet because see all of this consolidation, this sideways movement. So basically, somewhere the market found a level of resistance and support level that is kind of waiting to break out from. So that was the didn't only reason why I didn't want to buy it just yet. I mean, nah, that's not really anything. Yeah, see this horizontal level, resistance, resistance. I mean, we find the support, but I don't know. I don't know just yet. Now, what would give me confidence in the buying would be if the market broke up above that angle, tested the backside. Then I would be confident in the buying. But like I said, daily time frame, man, you look at the daily time frame, you can see these candles. Yeah, I would really like for the market to really actually fall down and test right here. Hold that support here. Then we can come in and start looking to buy counter trend line breaks. Hold on, that's my homie texting me. Said he just hit his take profit. Let's see. Let's have a look. See. Bing, bing, bing. I know what mom would say, damn, should have done more units. I just hit my take profit. So he just um, one of my truck driver buddies, he just hit his take profit. He trading too, so he just started. He just started today. So yeah, man. And then, you know, that's it. And then I'm looking and you can see where if I bring in a horizontal line, like where this price point is just kind of hanging around there. You see how this support, how that was resistance back there, and how it's resistance back here, even at a known level U-turn in this channel with support. Yeah, I mean, I really feel like, because, I said the market just been kind of hanging around that price point, went up, coming down, came up here, fell down, went up, fell down. So yeah, it's kind of like there's a lot of consolidation was just really giving me the sign that, hey man, we probably could come down to retest. Probably could come down to retest one of these lines, one of these angles. But again, if the market goes up, hey, it goes up without me. That's what I want to stick to. And that's what I'm going. I really want the market to fall down and give me a retest here. Then I can buy the market here. Yeah, most definitely. I'll buy the market there. If I can get a retest, I definitely can buy it there. But 1 hour time frame, yep. I mean, 1 hour time frame is going up. Hold on, actually, let me redraw these. I mean, yeah, that's the top angle that's keeping the market down. So that major low, yeah, this would be that major low right here. Okay, that looks like an angle. Yeah, because if I do that angle like this, yeah, like these angles would actually eventually come to a point where they'll start touching. Hmm. See what I'm saying? Like the bottom is not like just quite clear. Because I mean it's clear what's keeping the market down. Um, maybe it's this low. Maybe that's it. No, that ain't it either. Okay, so what was the current price point? Major low. Okay, this was the low to the market U-turn there. So yeah, got support, support. All right, cool. There it is. So we said we got support, support. Market broke it, but then just kind of hung around, and then it kept it down, then broke above it, and was just kind of hanging around here. But then we had resistance, and now we got support, and we got support, and then we broke up above. Yeah. So, but as you can see, even here, the way that I'm expecting to trade it, we broke into the buy zone. We came down, hit this low. But see, we had the sideways movement. We got one, two, three levels of support. So we would have bought it, but our stops would have been in the sell zone. So we still wouldn't have got stopped out. Bought it to the top range. The 109 pips. Came to the bottom, to the top, 87. So, hmm, yeah, I think that would be trade these angles from bottom to top in the direction of the monthly time frame at low prices in the buy zone. Well, at low prices, yeah, in the buy zone on the 1 hour time frame. In the direction of the monthly time frame at low prices on the daily time frame. So yeah, which that could, I mean, this could have possibly been a low price, but I still want to see that market come down and retrace there. Then once we get that retracement there, then I'll start buying. But it is working. So the strategy is working. Broke into the buy zone. We got a retest on the backside. Now we got a new little uptrend angle. So it's keeping the market up. So when we come to this line, market goes up, comes up, support. So we got a good level of support. And it looks like we have a good level of resistance. But yeah, we got this right here. So just looking at that, yeah, we'll just wait and see. Once our market can come down, we'll buy the counter trend line break. Yeah, we'll buy the kind of trend line break because we are in the buy zone. Yeah, change that blue. And as you can see, right, but totally right now, once we broke into the buy zone, this market held up in the buy zone and it done already went up 144 pips. So, I mean, hey, like I said, the strategy works. It works. But again, I just want that. I want the market to fall a little bit. I'm waiting for the market to fall a little bit lower. Give me a retest there. Give me a retest there, and we are in the market looking to buy monthly time frame. Yes, looking to go up. I want to get some of this 1,000 pips. Yes, sir, sure do. All right, that's the Euro USD, and then all right, Euro CAD. What's going on here? And I said I was gonna pick it up, and I'm still taking a long time. Wow. So, all right, Euro USD, Euro CAD. Euro Canadian dollar. All right, we seen that we had up channel, and then we seen we had this bottom level here, what has kept the market up here. It broke up above what this angle, that support. We broke support, found found resistance, fell down to a new level of support. Then we came right back up to the backside of what used to be resistance, and the market held. We closed above it, but then we closed above, but then last month we closed below. And you can see them, we still have the continuation with this month's candlestick. So we're expecting this market to fall back down to a no level U-turn, 1,300 so pips. And even when we go to the daily time frame, you see on a daily time frame, the Euro Canadian dollar was the one that we actually won the trade. And we were saying we were waiting for the market to either was waiting for the market to break below this trend line. But if the market was going to, if we was going to look to buy it, we was waiting for, we needed the market to hold at support, and then we would have bought it to the top. But again, we got the confirmation that the market wants to hold at a known level of U-turn. So now we broke into this bottom channel. We had some consolidation for a little while, but then the market eventually went into our favor, and then it actually broke what was keeping the market up in this lower channel. So it broke that angle, and now we are in the sell zone. So we can get rid of this. This Fibonacci extension was hit. We have a proper low of 1, 2 candlesticks to the left, 1, 2 candlesticks to the right. So this was the highest retracement point. But let me get rid of some of this stuff. So we get rid of this, rid of this, rid of this, rid of this. That's gone. And this is the market did what we were looking for it to do, broke down, gave us a retest, and started falling. So now we wait on the same thing here. We broke below what was keeping the market up, broke below the channel. Now it's like the market wants to U-turn to come back up, give us a retest, and get rid of this because we hit our profits, take profits. Fibonacci extension hit. So we can now move this Fibonacci. We can draw a new Fibonacci from this high down to this low, proper low. All right, this Fibonacci is done. Let's get rid of it. And let's get rid of all of this. All right. So now we have a down Fibonacci. Now we're just waiting on this market to give us a high price. And this is our new take profit. Our new take profit is, well, our new extension is 1.40069. 631.40069. So that is our new target, and that's where we're looking to take profit. So daily time frame, we broke below this. We broke out of this horizontal consolidation range. We're at the we broke below what was keeping the market up. We're waiting for the market to come up to the backside, give us a retracement. Now we're just waiting for the market to give us a retracement. Let the market come up, give us a retracement. I mean, give us a retest as resistance. Then we start selling the market. Counter trend line breaks on the 1 hour time frame down to our 1 hour target. I mean, down to our Fibonacci extension. That's what we looking for. That's what we waiting on. Known level U-turn monthly time frame. Direction is down. Yes, sir. Direction is down. We're looking to sell. Daily time frame. Broke broke these uptrend channels. We're just waiting to see if we are in the buy zone or if we are in the sell zone. And then we should be able to draw up what would be a new channel starting from this high. So again, we probably would get another. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this probably would be it right here. Because you got that high, market held there, didn't close above it there. This possibly be a new channel. Then was this low. Not really expecting it to really remain. Nah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't like it. So we just wait for more information on the daily time frame. But we are in the sell zone on the daily time frame. We're just waiting for a higher price on the backside of a known level U-turn, and that would be our target 144 1.40069. So let's go 1 hour time frame. You can see, yep, we sold the market and we held it when we took our profit. So we can just get rid of all of this. And now let's draw up the new. Well, let's start with our target. Our target is 1.4. All right, target is 1.40069. Bingo. All right, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is for buy zone and sell zone. So this is the target we're looking to hit. And let's see what we got here. Current price point. So why did the market just make a high here and then fall off? Let's see if we can find it. We may have to go back further. And bingo, right there. So we got U-turn, market came back up, U-turn, U-turn, and currently market came up and hit the U-turn again. So this is our buy zone and sell zone. So we got buy zone. And we got sell zone. Like so. But now let's see, maybe there's a channel here. Okay, but every time the market came up to this line, it sells off. We got U-turn. We got U-turn. We got a U-turn here and a U-turn here. And look, we currently got a U-turn right now. And we're waiting on the market to go down to this extension. So are we, I mean, we are in the sell zone, or we had a counter trend line break. Let's see, because I mean, again, daily time frame, I'm not really quite sold on it. What is this? I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. We just might. You never know. We just might be at a sell point. How long is that? Wait, actually, this is the proper low. Yeah, that's the proper low. Hmm. Well, I mean, it's still around the target we're looking for. What, 2 or 3 pips off? Okay, that's still the target. So that's still going to be the target that we're looking for. Hold on, what the hell is this on my screen? Right, well, this is that is our target that we're looking for, man. We are broke in the sell zone. Really would like for the market to come up, give us a retest, but if not, I mean, we are currently in the sell zone on the 1 hour time frame. This market could just keep falling. Yeah, this market could just keep falling. Actually, I think I like this one better. You got that trend line, look like. And we got that trend line, look like this holding, like, hold on, actually, let's go back further. Yep. All right, yeah, we just had to give it some time. You can see we got, if you can see it behind the Fibonacci, let's see how we got support. Market broke above it. Now we got resistance, 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 and we just waiting to see whether or not if this is going. Well, this is the proper low. We're just waiting to see whether or not the market want to come back up, give us a retest. So that's what we're waiting on, because we are in the sell zone on a daily time frame, monthly time frame. We did hold resistance at a known level U-turn. Could market could fall down to support. We are in the sell zone, making lower lows, higher lows and lower lows in the sell zone. So why did the market just make a low here? Let's go back and see. I mean, that looked pretty good to me. Hmm. Looks like we're at a high. Looks like we could be at a high price right now. The market comes up, falls. Market comes up, fall. Market come up, fall. The market come down here. It kind of goes up, but it still just hangs around. This is what lets me know that the power's in the selling. We just hang around. We just kind of float at that down angle. So market did come back up. You know what? I actually kind of like this one. Counter trend line break. We already touched the top. Let's set an alert. I think I'll take the trade. All right, Euro CAD. Once per bar close. And we're going to say Euro. Euro CAD, sell the market. All right, market can, if the market can close below this counter trend line in the sell zone at a known level of U-turn, we are in the sell zone at a known level of U-turn. We already touched that high price. See how the market sold off? And we can get the market to break that counter trend line and we'll sell it and we'll put our stops. Put our stops in this in the buy zone. Put our stops in the buy zone above this high. Our stops will be there. Hold on, I'll stop. Put our stops here above this high. This will be our stop. And then we can just look forward to going down to the limit. What's this range? What is this range? We come up, market fell down, touched it. Oh, that's 300 or so pips. So market came up, touched it. Let's see if the market was to fall, touch it again. About 200 or so. But again, we sell it once the market breaks the counter trend line. So if the market was to break that counter trend line, say it broke it there, about 100 or so. I mean, but you see what the trade plan, you see what it is. So it's like a 300, it's like a 300 pip range. Let's see, even back here, came up, and by the time it hit the line, market had traveled about 400 from that price point from the time it hit with all of the retracements. Then, matter of fact, you can even go back here, but this was the first one. So, yeah, 355. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, no level U-turn, buy zone, sell zone. Stops will be above this high. Stops in the buy zone. So that would be was to sell it or where we get the break, risking 195, right? We get our stops, we just have them out the way. Risking 195, going after going after 342. That'll be our stop. All right. So risk 195 pips and looking to go for 342. I don't know. I like it. I likes it. I likes it because we are in the sell zone right now, and we just hit a non-level U-turn, waiting on the market to waiting on the market to break counter trend line. Oh, was this one a counter trend line break? Nah, that wouldn't have been one. Or could this one have been one? Hmm. Yeah, that could have been one. But we're rocking with this one. All right. Market can fall below. Market fall below the counter trend line break. We'll sell it. Stops. I mean, stops really don't have to be that high. Because look, you see, you got resistance, resistance, resistance at this non-level U-turn. So, but yeah, I still want to put my stops up there just to get them out the way in the buy zone. Risking 195, going after 342. All right, I like it. So real quick, again, bouncing off a non-level U-turn, daily time frame. We have broken all of these angles that was keeping the market up. We broke all of that. Now we are below what used to keep the market up as support. We broke it below it, and we could possibly be finding coming back up for coming could be coming back up for resistance on the backside. Or the market could possibly could fall, keep falling right now. So we're just waiting to see, waiting for confirmation. But again, 1 hour time frame, hey, market's going down. We got a downtrend angle on a 1 hour time frame. But I'm only skeptical about it because it could possibly this could possibly break into the buy zone because daily time frame is kind of low. I mean, like I said, we did break it, but we haven't got the retest yet. So we possibly could get the retest, or like I said, the market break this line. Yeah, that should be the confirmation of whether or not we gonna sell. All right, that is the Euro CAD. Let's go ahead and move away from that one. And let's go to we went over Euro JPY. Yeah, we went over the NZD, right? Yeah, we just wait. Yeah, we're waiting on that to give us a high price on either or, because it's even showing on the daily time frame on this one. Yep. So we did that one. So we got all of these euro pairs out the way. We did do the AUD, right? Yeah, we're waiting on the high price on the A yeah, to sell it. Yeah, like I said, we haven't taken out this A yet, but we have broken all of these channels. So we're looking to sell that too. Euro USD, like I said, we're waiting to buy that. Is that a non-level U-turn? Waiting to buy it. Yep, non-level U-turn there. Yep, I'm just waiting to see if we can get a lower price so we can buy it. And all right, let's go over the USD CAD. I think we did go over this one already. I don't think so. But okay, Euro CAD. All right, again, monthly time frame. Monthly time frame holding that support backside downtrend channel. Look at the buyer's market up bullish for 1,380 pips. And you can see, yep, we had these channels. Bingo. U-turn, 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 U-turn. We broke above it. Now we what used to be resistance, we holding that support. But let's see. You see, we got consolidation. See, we got consolidation right here. And right now, look at that consolidation. Market not breaking out of this range. 8 months. 8 months, man. We just kind of stuck in this range. Hold on, let me see. Get rid of those. And let's bring in horizontals. Market just stuck in this range. Make them black. Again, stuck in that range. And what kind of pip range is this? How many, what's the pips are up and down? All right, so yeah, that's about a 330 pip range. So the market coming up, market came down, back up, down, up, down. Then you see this candlestick, market down, indecision, indecision, inside of consolidation. So I'm still looking to buy, but in order for us to go up to this Fibonacci extension, we're going to need the market to break above this break out of this consolidation range, close above it, then we can start looking to buy all the way up to that extension. But we've been stuck in this consolidation range for about 8 months. So right now, I'll just look to trade the consolidation range, which right now we touching support. So let's go see USD touching support. So we are looking to buy back to the top of the range, and that's 33043 to 36507. So yeah, it's about 300. It's about 325 pips. No, 300 and yeah, 350 pips. So we're looking, just waiting on this market, see if this market is going to reverse. And as you can see, daily time frame, we had these channels, market was moving up, we got resistance, support, market going up. Then we had this top channel, support, resistance, support, resistance. But we can zoom in closer, and there is that resistance level. See how you got support, so you got support, resistance, support, resistance. We break above it, but then right back down. And that's why we didn't take the buy trade when we broke above here. We didn't take the buy trade because this Fibonacci might be little to no good. Actually, yes, it's not any good because it got taken out. Because again, we are in consolidation. So we can get rid of this. That's no longer going to be a target. And we can get rid of these because, again, we are in consolidation for the last 8 months. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. And you can see we hit support, broke above it, but the market did not close it. So that is a good telltale sign that we may be getting ready to go up according to the monthly time frame. So yeah, we'll just continue trading the consolidation range. You see, got resistance, 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 U-turn, then another U-turn, and then even on the bottom, buy, and we could possibly look into buy again. All right, so but if we're going to buy it, we are at a low price. So we are at a low price in the consolidation range. So we look that we can buy this back up from price point back up here, 300 pips. So 33099, we can buy up to the 36400. So that is the consolidation range. Matter of fact, let's mark those consolidation ranges. Yeah, I was already looking at it at work. So, all right, so let's get rid of this. And let's mark these angles on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so the first one is 136. 136, 400. This is the daily time frame consolidation. That's the resistance. And this will be support. 1.0. So 1.33099. All right, so all right, pull up the 1 hour time frame. All right, so that's the daily time frames, resistance and support levels. And there it is. It's very, very clean to see. USD CAD, hey, we can look to buy it. Look to buy it because we got this channel. I mean, let's see, market make a high here. So I did the market make a high there. U-turn, 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 U-turn. Call them U-turns, man. Hold on, probably can still go far back and get more information. Yep, market tested, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. So, yep. So 1 hour time frame, buy zone, and sell zone. There it is. As a matter of fact, let's change the color of this one. Right. So this is what's holding the market down. Resistance, so resistance, 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 resistance. And it looked like this is what's holding the market up. So let the market break into the buy zone. We want this market to break into the buy zone. Probably gonna wave a little bit. Break into the buy zone. Backside. Bottom kind of trend line breaks up to the top. That's what I'm looking for. All the way up to the to consolidation resistance. All right, man, that's what I'm looking at. USD CAD, just had to change it up a little bit because we had some stuff going on that, yeah, I was iffy about buying this one. Like I said, I'm like, yeah, I already seen that. We broke it here, market came up, and then we had another trend line there. Then the market broke it. I was almost bought it, but good thing we didn't because now that we see the consolidation range, you see the market just fell all the way. That would have been, we saved ourselves a loss. Yep, we saved ourselves a loss. Okay, but anyway, well, that's the trade plan for USD CAD for now. We're gonna save that. And let's see, USD JPY. I think we can go to USD JPY real quick. Been live 2 hours. Yep, USD JPY. Okay, here we go real quick. We got known level. We got a channel, known level U-turn. We got resistance, support, and we got all this support down here. The market rallied up, broke resistance, tested the backside of support, and you can see the market going up. 179427 is the monthly Fibonacci target. So we're looking to buy this market. Then we go to the daily time frame. You can see daily time frame. We went over this already. And you see all of the U-turn levels. We got two angles. We got an upper channel and a lower channel. And right now the market had been respecting this lower channel of support and resistance. And you can see back then we saw that we had support here. So we don't want to ignore the fact that we got support here. So let's redraw that. Yeah, we don't want to ignore that we had all that support right there. Market just didn't want to break up above that support. So, I mean, the market didn't want to break below that. So let's draw that one black again. Because I actually did that on my cell phone while I was at work. That's why that's why I look all conflicted. Okay, so yeah, see how we got these touches. So, okay, if the market respected this angle since April, then we need to respect this angle as well. So there's a possibility when the market came up, we hit resistance, long level U-turn. So we had a long level U-turn. Now we kind of in the consolidation range. Market trying to make its mind up on what it want to do. So we can wait for the market to fall down. When we hit this, we touched here. We're either waiting for the market to fall back down here to this angle, then we can get a counter trend line. And once we get the counter trend line break, they hold that support, we can buy it back up in the angle, or let the market break it back into the upper channel, give us a retest to the backside. Then we can buy that if we hold that support in the upper channel. So now that's what we're waiting on. We go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see 1 hour time frame. This this is this is just as still a good channel. Actually, this would be the start of that channel, of what was, I mean, not channel. That's the start of that black support line. That would be that black support line on the 1 hour time frame. So we got support, support, support. Then it's the one we missed where we had that big rally, 700 pips. So now let's see what the market is doing now, because we can either wait for the market to come back, because ideally what we want to see is we want to see this market right now come down, touch known level resistance of support, then start moving up. That's what we're looking for right there. I would really love it if the market would do that again. Market come on back down, test. Let's see. I mean, on current price point, where the market make a high there. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Oh man, I'm messing up. Got to get rid of that. I mean, that's what I would really like to see. Because I mean, right now, if we go back and see, is there an angle that the market, is there a top that the market has? Okay. Boom, we got touches there. So we got some, right? We got a level of support. And it looks like we might have a level of resistance. Bingo. Right there, brother. So you can see we got U-turn here. There's resistance, resistance, resistance. Now we broke, market broke above it. Support, and then took off. See, now this is exactly why, that's why I'm saying on the daily time frames and we have those angles, we want the market to break above resistance, give us a test to the backside on the 1 hour time frame and support, and then the market takes off further. So this could possibly be this could be another channel. This could be an upper channel on a 1 hour time frame, just like they got an upper and a lower channel on the daily time frame. Got a touch there. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. Or maybe it's this angle. Maybe it's that one. Hmm. See that? I don't know. Maybe it's that one. Hmm. I mean, we did come up resistance. Hey, that's resistance again. And that's I think this is the high from the daily time frame. So yeah, again, that's why we look for that to happen on a daily time frame to give us low prices in at known level of U-turn to give us the buying opportunity. And that's the same thing that's going on um with this one. See, we see how we was at this level, came up, we broke it, tested the backside. We broke into the sell zone, tested the backside, and now the market falling off. Yeah. Yep, that's what we're looking for, USDJPY. And that's what we want to happen on a daily time frame, either on this side or it can happen down here. And that's what we're waiting for because we already respected resistance at the top of this lower channel. So, well, we just waiting. We just waiting. We just waiting. Again, if we're gonna get the top of that lower channel, then okay. So if we get the top of the lower channel, if we get support, then the market should fall here. But if we are going to get resistance, I mean, if we're going to break above resistance, then the market should come up, break above this, give us a retest here, then we start buying up at the top of the other channel, top of this other daily channel. Yeah, hold on, draw that up. Bing. Or we could just wait for the market to go up here, break it, give us a retest on the backside, then boom, buy counter trend line break like that. Buy right there. Or we can just buy our market come down and we'll buy it there. Counter trend line breaks. But the market is too high, so we need a low price on the at support above what's keeping the market up. We need support, or we can let the market fall back down to support where it is now. Or I mean, because this support level, mm, you can see already being broken. Because again, we just hit resistance on a daily time frame, so it's kind of consolidating. So yeah, I wouldn't really put too much stock into that one, but I am holding I am waiting for it to fall back down either here or go up. Then we buy on the backside. So, all right, that is the USDJPY. Okay, so we hit the USDCAD. We're waiting on, yeah, we're just waiting on that to break consolidation. We went over this one. We actually switched up the trade on this one. Euro GPB, the euro and the British pound, man, it's not really, I don't think this one really doing much. I mean, I did see the fact that this angle was kind of holding the market up, and then we did break it. So yeah, that would give us the signal to start selling. You can see last month we sold off, but this month kind of having some continuation. So we went to the daily time frame, and we see we had a lot of sideways movement, but we did have an up channel that got broke, and then we kind of hung around here. But see, now we're at support, right? So we have support in this consolidation. So we're gonna need, in order for me to want to sell it, I need for the market to, again, break below, give me a retest on the backside of resistance, and then fall. But we have broken this up channel. So yeah, not quite sold yet on the actual selling opportunity. And what pip range is this? This is a, from top to bottom, yeah, that's about 150 pip range. So yeah, like I said, in order for me to sell it right now, we either come down and actually give a retest and hold a support resistance and then fall, or we just keep trading the consolidation range, which we do have in the past as well. So yeah, that's why I really haven't been trading this one as much. And then we got the 1 hour time frame. We did have angles of resistance, and then we had a top level of resistance, and then we got a low level of support. And you can see where the market kind of, I was wanting the market to come back up so I can sell it. So like these angles are kind of not in tune with what's going on, actually going on the daily time frame. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, that's that. And I mean, I did say if we broke below it and we held, oh, we did break below it. So we broke below it, and yeah, we broke below what was keeping the market down. So this can be the new angle or another channel. So we broke below it, we came back up, tested resistance, and then the market selling off. That's what it looked like on the 1 hour time frame. But again, daily time frame, I don't yet have confirmation. I'm waiting on that confirmation of the market giving me falling down, coming back up, holding support. I mean, holding resistance. So yeah, we're not really messing with the GPB, but we'll save it. We'll keep that analysis as it is. And okay, we went over all of these. Um, let's see how long I've been live. Oh man, 2.5 hours. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna cut it because I know the USD is GBP, the pound USD is not really doing much or nothing. Yeah, I was keeping my eyes on it. Yeah, see, yeah, we were saying that, okay, we was waiting for the market, we waiting to hit that extension, and the market's going up. So we're looking to buy this market up to the extension, but uh, we'll probably buy it up to this known level of U-turn because that is a down channel, or we have a upper down channel. So we traded up to a known level U-turn before we decide to go up there. Then we got the daily time frames. You can see the daily time frame. It broke this level of support, but then now it's kind of going up, doing kind of the same thing as the Euro JPY. So yeah, consolidation, consolidating sideways movement. We got lows and we got a top. So until we can get above this channel, give me break above it, retrace, support, or let the market fall down on level U-turn, and then we'll buy it there because the market is going up. So yeah, we're just waiting on that. And then you see 1 hour time frame, we had a buy zone, sell zone, and the market fell below it. And this, and these, as you can see, consolidation ranges, you know, well, these trend lines don't really work, in consolidation, sideways market, because this one got broke, and then now what was keeping the market down, U-turn, U-turn, resistance, 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 market sell off, then as you see, market goes back up. Then we back into the buy zone. We will be back into the buy zone, which would be, okay, so current price point, why did the market stop here? I mean, obviously we can tell that we broke in the buy zone. We got a retest at support, and then now market going up. Market going up in that angle. See already, one, two, three, four. Four touches, four U-turns on that angle. Could we have a top? So market just came, made the low here. I mean, made a high there. Yeah, could that be the, could possibly be an angle. We did break into the buy zone. We got the retest to the backside. Market broke up. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So because we don't have a high price at a known level of U-turn. So we're just waiting. We're still waiting on this one to give us a known level of U-turn, then we'll buy it. The pound CAD. All right, pound CAD. See, we got more consolidation, but we did have a down channel. But really, the down channel wasn't really much of nothing. But I mean, we did see that down angle because the market did just fall all the way down here. So I mean, that is an angle. But the consolidation, we're inside. The market broke above what was keeping the market down, this down channel. But see, even in the consolidation, you see all of the going up, coming down, up, down, up, down. So yeah, consolidation. So we decided we're gonna trade the consolidation range, which the market has broken up into the consolidation range. And you see, we bought this and we took a L because we actually bought too soon. But then you can see now this candlestick is actually coming up. The bulls are saying no, we're in consolidation, we're at support. So we're looking to go up to the top of the range, which that is 970 so pips away. So we're looking to buy it because we do have an up Fibonacci, and then you can see here daily time frame that was going to be our target, and we thought that we were going to thought we was going to buy it there. We did buy it there, but market reversed against us, stopped us out. So we're just waiting for what the case may be. Okay, so we went and made a low here. So let's see. We made a low here. Is this? Is that horizontal? Or is the market saying something else? I mean, got resistance there, support, 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 and now you got support here. Make that black. I mean, like I said, don't really, because that really is not a convergence with anything else. Maybe there's a top. Why the market make a high here? See, yep, market could consolidating. Got a ceiling. We got we got a floor support, support, support. Then we got a ceiling of resistance, 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 and support. And market going back up, so we can get rid of that. That's really not going to do us any good. So in essence, I mean, we probably could trade this consolidation. A sideways movement, it makes these kind of make these channels irrelevant. You see, side consolidation doesn't really care about, up and down trends. It's just sideways movement. So we did hit support, and the market is kind of retracing back up. And that's what, still 155, 151 pips away. Um, yeah, let's get rid of this because we lost that trade, so we no longer need this. We got consolidation there. Matter of fact, let's bring in horizontals. See, we got the lows here. Resistance, support, 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 support. And it look like we got a top. Resistance, resistance. Could be could be getting ready to consolidate. Yep, even when we go back in the past. But I mean, the market was really just moving around. I mean, yeah. Yep, yep, yep. So, yeah, we took a loss on this one. Like I said, we were still buying. I mean, we are at support in a consolidation range. We could go up 900, but until we can break out of this on the daily time frame, then we can start looking to go up those 900 or so pips. So we had support, market retraced. And we go to the 1 hour time frame. And let's get rid of all of these. And let's see. Current price point. Why did the market just make a high here? Got a high price. That's it. That consolidation. U-turn, 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 U-turn. Why did the market make a low here? Oh, so why did the market just make a low here? God darn it, I'm missing it. You can tell I'm getting tired. I am getting tired. Mm, I don't know. Could be that, or it could be this. No, no. Well, hold on. Let's try that again. So why did the market U-turn here? This is the lowest point. Well, you see just how, see how they, or just how the trend lines are just real weird. Hmm. Because it can't be going here Could be, but it's just a lot of sideways movement in between. And then we never actually came down and touched that. And we had just all of this support. Hmm. Yeah, see, this one a little tricky because like I said daily time frame. Yep, got this consolidations, consolidating. Then we're looking for it to go up to the top. So, you know what? Let's get rid of this and let's do it the way we did on the other one. All right, so horizontal line. Let's get the resistance point. All right, so resistance, we got 1.69246. All right, that's resistance. And then let's put another one, and that should be our support level. All right, 1.66156. All right, that's support. So we got resistance and we got support. So we'll go back to the 1 hour time frame. All right, see, yeah. Now that makes more sense. So that's what's on the daily time frame. So you can see like we never have like just a true buy zone, sell zone. Like stuff gets broken and yeah. So that's why we lost that buy trade because this market decided that it's ready to go into consolidation, and we did have a touch at the bottom. So about halfway there. Yeah, I'm not really interested in trading that one because have to put our stops way down here, and then it's like that's 134 pips, but then we're gonna have to risk 137, and I'm not really interested in that. So if we go to the daily, go back to the monthly time frame again, we are at support, so we are looking to buy. We will look to buy this. We'll buy the consolidation range up 97 pips. Looks like we are getting multiple months of confirmation that the market does want to respect this consolidation range. Daily time frame. We have consolidation in the daily time frame. We did have this channel going up, and then now we broke it, and it's in sideways movement. So in order for us to be comfortable in the buying, going back up to the top of monthly consolidation, we are just going to we're gonna wait for it to break above it. We're gonna wait for a break out of this consolidation, give a retest, and then form a new channel going up to monthly resistance. So, all right, that is the British pound and the Canadian dollar. Yeah, we're just waiting, still waiting to break out this consolidation range. Okay, so let's save that. All right, that is, man, I still have yet to go over this GBP, JPY. I think I was looking at it while I was at work. It may be some, it may be, no, there's nothing on here. So, yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, man. I've been live for 2 hours and 40 minutes. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I was just kind of just going through an updating the charts of updating these charts that we've been looking at so far. I mean, obviously, I still got more charts that I can go through, But I mean, I can only do so much that the time will allow. I do have to prepare for tomorrow's work day, so um, man, I'm gonna try to come back and see. Uh, it's 9 o'clock, man. I'm gonna see what I can do. I ain't making no excuses, man, because I want to be a successful trader. So, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short. Can't promise I'm gonna be back tomorrow, but I will be back probably at the end of the week, this weekend, and look for some more trades. Uh, Amber alert. All right, y'all, man.